I was saying this here is part 2 of the Rare Beauty foundation review. Just received my Fenty Beauty lip products, and of course I wanted to share with you all some lip swatches. Get the lip glosses because, to be completely honest, they look like what I already have. Maybe if I can catch a sale, I probably will end up purchasing them, but right now I was like, no, Tamika, don't get them, don't get them, just get these here. Okay, I'll go ahead and purchase these here. What are these? The liquid lipstick. The fact that, you know, I could wear these under my mask and hopefully they don't do too much color transfer. These here are a part of the Fenty Christmas collection, and this here is the color Unmatched and Underrated. And I think these here are 2 brand new shades because I don't have anything like this in my collection. And I always remember when the red came out, I wanted the red, but I never purchased here a new red color. I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get it because, like I said, I always wanted to get the red, but I never did. And then I thought, okay, with these here being 2 little minis, I was like, who goes through a full size lip product anyway? I did move the camera up so you all can see the lip swatches. I do have on the Rare Beauty matte lip cream in the color Courage. I'm taking that off. Do the red last because, you know, the red is which stains the most. Here is the packaging for the 2. 0.6 fluid ounce, I think, y'all. Not 100% sure, but it do say, because I can't read that. Here I go teasing my mom all these years about her can't see, and now I'm having that problem. Yeah, that's what I get. But anyway, shake before use, and I will do a swatch of each one. So it looks like the full size is exactly the same as the full size. So here is, oh, look at that, here is that swatch right there. I remember someone saying instead of applying it this way, you apply it with the tip facing you. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that to help outline my lips. And with these here liquid lipsticks, a little goes a long way. Like, as you can see, I didn't even apply none on the bottom, and you see how much I have on this here. So as you can see, I didn't even apply none on my bottom lip, and all I did was blot and look. And the one thing about her lip products I like is because they are geared to us brown girls. So, you know, if she come out with a bright color or this type of color, you know it's going to look nice on our undertones and things like that. Because sometimes you can get a color like this and it's too bright and it's just not wearable. But this hair color to me is wearable. I overdo it with applying product, but I am gonna let it sit for a few seconds. Just so it can dry down, so I can see if I kiss my hand, will I have product on my hands? Because if so, matter of fact, I have a mask. You know, I ain't even gonna worry about that. I was gonna grab my mask, but it feels dry. So as you can see, it. I don't know. What y'all think? Is that the lip product or what? Not a full, you don't see the actual color on my hands. So this here would be a good lip to wear if you are wearing face masks, which you should be, because everybody is required to wear one. Here you all, this here is the color Underrated. Go ahead and take this off, and I'm gonna come back with this hair color. Okay, y'all, you do have to do a lot of tugging to get this hair liquid lipstick off. We're going to go in with the color Unmatched. Y'all, I can't wait to try this because I don't know, for some reason I've been into finding a good red lip. I will swatch that hair lip. Let me see if I could. So here is the swatch. And I heard this hair lip is not as bright as the original, which is good for me because every time I tried it on, it was just always a reason why I never purchased it. Say a little goes a long way. So here is that lip. Now it's not perfect. Now this hair is a lot, this hair color is a lot more settled than the original. Let me know what y'all think if y'all have the original red in the Rihanna collection. Like, I like this hair red color. Like, this here is that nice Christmas type, New Year's Eve type color. You are going to any Christmas parties or having something special, this hair red lip is bomb. And this hair, again, if I did already mention, but I don't know, for some reason I feel like I have to repeat myself. This hair is in the color Unmatched. I didn't mind purchasing these because who goes through a full size liquid lip? Because as you see, as y'all saw when I was applying the lip product, you don't even need that much. So I can see me having these for a long time, unless I end up throwing them away because they go bad. But I do like these here two colors. And if I didn't mention, these here retail for $25, and her the lip gloss set, they retail for I think $36. Now I know I didn't purchase the lip glosses, but like I said, I may purchase them down the line, or I may just wait until she come out with the full size, because some colors I didn't really like. I prefer over the other, if you get what I'm saying. So I was like, if she come out with the full size, I'll just pick the, you know, the few colors that I like, because it was only like one or two that I had liked that I would love to have in my collection. But other than that, I didn't really see the need to purchase. With that being said, you all, I just wanted to share my really quick lip swatches. And yeah, I'm liking both of them. Like, I see why everybody gave this here a 5-star review, because they are really nice, and it's something that I don't have in my collection. I actually don't have these here type of colors as far as liquid lipsticks in my collection. I have more lipsticks and lip glosses than liquid lipsticks. Now let's do the kiss test, so you can see it a little bit. And with this amount of product on my hand, wearing a face mask, your lip will still be intact, because you know, with the whole face mask, it's hard for us to wear lip products, and they really do feel nice on the lips. They don't feel drying, like they don't feel like they sucking the life out of my lips. Like, they really feel comfortable. I could see me wearing this all day. To end this part of the video, like I said, I just wanted to share these here too. That being said, you all, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like these types of videos, and also down below let me know if y'all purchase these hair lip paints, or even if y'all purchase this and the lip glosses. So let me know down below what y'all end up purchasing, or even if y'all going to, you know, go out and purchase the lip products. And said, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.